Today, we're about to embark on a journey into the world of color, taste, and longevity as we uncover the 10 antioxidant-rich superfoods, your secret weapon against aging. But here's the catch. Not all foods are equal in their antioxidant power. Scientists, the dedicated detectives they are, sought a way to measure this antioxidant content in foods. Enter the concept of antioxidant tests. One of the most effective of these tests is the FRAP, ferric reducing ability of plasma analysis. Now, don't let the name daunt you. It's a fascinating process that pits food against a specific type of free radical, observing how well it can neutralize the threat. Picture this. The free radical, the antagonist, is released into a plasma environment, a special battlefield. The food, our protagonist, steps onto the scene, wielding its antioxidant power. As the food neutralizes the free radical, a reaction occurs, reducing a ferric to ferrous ion. This change is then measured, giving us a FRAP value. Pretty cool, right? Now, let's find out which foods you should be placing inside of your shopping cart. Number 1. Dark chocolate. All right, I have some great news for all you chocolate lovers out there. No, it's not a dream. Dark chocolate isn't just a guilty pleasure, it's actually chock full of nutrients. With a higher cocoa content than regular chocolate, it also boasts a much higher concentration of minerals and antioxidants. Get this, according to a FRAP analysis conducted back in 2010, dark chocolate, believe it or not, carries up to 15 millimoles of antioxidants per 100 grams. To put that into perspective, it beats out superfoods like blueberries and raspberries, which carry up to 9.2 and 4 millimoles respectively in the same serving size. But it doesn't stop there, oh no. The antioxidants in cocoa and dark chocolate aren't just names on a nutritional label. They're soldiers in the fight for our health. They have been linked to several impressive health benefits, such as reducing inflammation and lowering risk factors for heart disease. For instance, a comprehensive review of 31 different studies highlighted the relationship between cocoa intake and blood pressure. It turns out, indulging in cocoa-rich treats like dark chocolate can actually reduce both systolic and diastolic blood pressure more effectively than a cocoa beverage. Number 2. Goji berries. Now let's traverse the Great Wall of China, delve into ancient history, and explore a superfood that has been around for over 2,000 years, the illustrious goji berry. These brilliant red berries are the dried fruits of two closely related plants, Lycium barbarum and Lycium chinense. Steeped in the rich heritage of traditional Chinese medicine, goji berries have been nurturing health and well-being long before the term superfood became a buzzword. According to a FRAP analysis, a 100-gram serving of goji berries boasts 4.3 millimoles of antioxidants, a considerable amount for such a tiny fruit. What makes goji berries truly unique, though, are their exclusive antioxidants known as Lycium barbarum polysaccharides. Studies have linked these powerful substances to a reduced risk of heart disease and even cancer. But the health perks of these vibrant berries don't stop there. They have been found to be incredibly effective at raising blood antioxidant levels. Think of it like an upgrade for your body's defense system. In one captivating study, healthy older adults consumed a goji berry-infused milk drink daily for 90 days. By the end of the study, their blood antioxidant levels had skyrocketed by an astounding 57%. Number 3. Artichokes. Let's turn our spotlight now to a bit of an unsung hero in the North American diet. A veggie that's as intriguing as it is delectable, the artichoke. Artichokes have a rich history and were more than just a food item in ancient times. They were medicinal plants, with people using their leaves as a remedy to treat liver conditions like jaundice. Who knew, right? According to a FRAP analysis, these deliciously prickly vegetables contain up to 4.7 millimoles of antioxidants per 100 grams. That's a whole lot of health in every bite. And the antioxidant star in the artichoke show? That's chlorogenic acid. Research suggests that the antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties of chlorogenic acid might help reduce the risk of serious health conditions, like certain cancers, type 2 diabetes, and heart disease. Now that's some potent stuff. Interestingly, the way we prepare our artichokes can actually change their antioxidant content. Who'd have thought your cooking method could be a game changer, right? A study from 2008 revealed that boiling artichokes could increase their antioxidant content by a whopping 8 times, and steaming them could raise it by an impressive 15 times. But before you decide to throw them in the fryer, consider this. frying may actually reduce their antioxidant content. Number 4. Pecans. All right, it's time for a true American classic. Let's talk about pecans. These delicious nuts are native to North America, and not only do they grace our pies and cookies with their delightful crunch, but they are also an excellent source of healthy fats and minerals. According to a FRAP analysis, these humble nuts contain a staggering 10.6 millimoles of antioxidants per 100 grams. Now that's a nutritional punch that's hard to ignore. And what's more, pecans are not just carrying these antioxidants, they're sharing them. Yes, consuming pecans can actually boost antioxidant levels in your bloodstream. One study even found that folks at risk of heart disease saw an increase in blood antioxidant levels after consuming pecans daily for 8 weeks. Now that's a delicious way to protect your heart, and the benefits don't stop there. In another 8-week study, pecan consumers experienced a reduction in total cholesterol, LDL, the so-called bad cholesterol, and triglycerides compared to a control group. These are all risk factors for heart disease, and our friendly pecans seem to be waging a tasty war against them. Number 5. Strawberries. Strawberry fields forever, anyone? That's right. We're diving into the delicious world of strawberries, one of the most beloved berries on our planet. They're sweet, they're versatile, and they're the star of so many of our favorite dishes. A FRAP analysis shows that strawberries serve up an impressive 5.4 millimoles of antioxidants per 100 grams. That's a lot of antioxidant power in such a small package. And do you know what gives strawberries their vivid red color? It's a type of antioxidant known as anthocyanins. The brighter the berry, the higher the anthocyanin content. Nature's color coding at its best. But anthocyanins aren't just a pretty face. Research has shown that these potent antioxidants may help protect your heart by lowering LDL, the so-called bad cholesterol, and raising HDL, the good cholesterol. In fact, a review of 10 different studies found that taking an anthocyanin supplement significantly reduced LDL cholesterol levels in people with heart disease or high LDL levels. It's like these berries have a secret superpower. Number 6. Blueberries. Now let's turn our attention to the superstar of the berry world, the humble yet mighty blueberry. Low in calories yet bursting with nutrients, these tiny powerhouses are as good for your health as they are for your taste buds. Blueberries have earned their superfood status for a good reason. They're loaded with antioxidants. A FRAP analysis reveals they have up to 9.2 millimoles of antioxidants per 100 grams. That's not just impressive. It places blueberries among the fruits with the highest antioxidant capacities. We're talking about the heavyweight champions of the fruit world. But that's not all. Our trusty blueberries aren't just boosting our antioxidant levels, they're also working on keeping our brains sharp. Research from test tube and animal studies suggests that the antioxidants in blueberries may delay the decline in brain function that often comes with age. Now, who wouldn't want to munch on a handful of these for some brain power boost? Number 7. Raspberries. Let's step into the lush, tart world of raspberries, a favorite ingredient in desserts and an excellent source of dietary fiber, vitamin C, manganese, and yes, antioxidants. These soft, delectable berries are not just pretty and delicious. They are also quite impressive in the nutrition department. A FRAP analysis reveals that raspberries offer up to 4 millimoles of antioxidants per 100 grams. But it gets even more interesting. The components within raspberries, including their antioxidants, have been linked to a lower risk of some serious health conditions like heart disease and cancer. One review of 5 different studies concluded that black raspberries, in particular due to their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, may slow down and suppress the effects of various cancers. And let's not forget their heart-healthy benefits. The antioxidants in raspberries, especially those powerful anthocyanins, may reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. These are key factors in reducing heart disease risk. Number 8. Beets. Are you ready to dive into the earthy, rich world of beets, also known as beetroot? Yes, these roots might not be everyone's favorite vegetable, but when you learn about their health benefits, you might just change your mind. Not only are beets a great source of fiber, potassium, iron, and folate, they're also a fantastic source of antioxidants. According to a FRAP analysis, beets contain up to 1.7 millimoles of antioxidants per 100 grams. Impressive, right? Their vibrant red color comes from a specific group of antioxidants known as betalains. These betalains are not just painting the town red, They've also been linked to some pretty potent health benefits. Test tube studies have suggested that betalains could be linked to a lower risk of cancers in the colon and digestive tract, which could make beets a tasty way to protect your health. But the story of beets doesn't end there. These earthy roots also contain compounds that may help tackle inflammation. In fact, one study found that taking betalain capsules made from beetroot extract significantly relieved pain and inflammation caused by osteoarthritis. Number 9. Red cabbage. When you think of cabbage, do you picture a vibrant red color? Well, it's time to meet red cabbage, a nutrient powerhouse that is far more than just a beautiful addition to your salad. Also known as purple cabbage, this vegetable is rich in vitamins C, K, and A, and is truly a goldmine when it comes to antioxidants. According to a FRAP analysis, red cabbage provides up to 2.2 millimoles of antioxidants per 100 grams. Believe it or not, that's more than 4 times the amount of antioxidants found in regular cooked cabbage. One of the key players here is anthocyanins, the antioxidants that give red cabbage its striking color. You might recognize these as the same antioxidants found in strawberries and raspberries. Anthocyanins have been linked to some serious health benefits. Studies suggest they may reduce inflammation, protect against heart disease, and even reduce the risk of certain cancers. And let's not forget that red cabbage is a rich source of vitamin C, which acts as an antioxidant in the body, potentially boosting your immune system and keeping your skin firm and youthful. Boiling and stir-frying may actually increase its antioxidant profile, but if you steam your red cabbage, be aware that you could be reducing its antioxidant content by almost 35%. Number 10. Kale. Let's give a round of applause to our good friend kale, that curly, leafy, green powerhouse that's part of the brassica family, sharing the limelight with stars like broccoli and cauliflower. Now, when we're talking about nutrient-dense veggies, kale tops the charts. It's a green machine, packed with vitamins A, K, and C, making it one of the most nutrient-rich greens you can find. But it's not just vitamins. Kale is also an antioxidant superstar. It provides up to 2.7 millimoles of these powerful little helpers per 100 grams. Here's where it gets interesting. We all know and love our green kale, but did you know red varieties of kale, like red boar and red Russian kale, could contain nearly twice as much antioxidants? That's right. We're talking about up to 4.1 millimoles per 100 grams. Why so? It's because these red varieties are richer in anthocyanin antioxidants and a few others that give them their vivid, beautiful color. And for those of you on plant-based diets, here's some more good news. Kale is a fantastic plant-based source of calcium. So not only does it help maintain bone health, but it also plays a crucial role in other cellular functions. So next time you're at the grocery store, give a nod to kale. It's not just a trendy superfood, it's a nutrient-rich, antioxidant-packed, bone-loving leafy green that's ready to jazz up your plate. Now it's your turn. Have you been secretly munching on any of these age-defying antioxidant powerhouses? Do you have a go-to recipe that packs in the antioxidants? Or maybe there's a superfood we didn't mention that you swear by? Well, we'd love to hear all about it. Drop your thoughts, your experiences, or your secret recipes in the comments below. And hey, if you found this video helpful or just plain interesting, give it a big thumbs up. Not only does it tell us we're on the right track, but it helps others in the quest for health find us too. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you never miss out on the next big secret to staying forever young and vibrant. See you in the next video.